Welcome back to Wheel and Thrill. Today, we're featuring a true legend of the rickshaw world, the Piaggio Ape. For over 7 decades, the Ape has been a trusted companion on roads around the world, helping drivers navigate busy streets and rugged terrains. Let's dive into what makes this three-wheeler a global icon. The Piaggio Ape was born in 1948, emerging from Italy with a mission to provide affordable and reliable transport for both people and goods. Its name, which means bee in Italian, represents its buzzing utility and hard-working nature. From the narrow alleys of European cities to the crowded roads of Asia, the Ape quickly became a symbol of practicality and versatility. The Piaggio Ape's design is all about functionality. Its compact size and three-wheel layout make it incredibly maneuverable in tight spaces, while the sturdy frame ensures durability even on rough roads. Whether it's carrying passengers or transporting cargo, the Ape has a model to suit every need. It comes in various configurations, including a passenger version, a pickup truck, and even a cargo van option. One of the biggest strengths of the Piaggio Ape is its adaptability. With a range of fuel options to petrol, diesel, CNG, and electric, it meets the demands of different markets and environmental regulations. The engines are designed to offer a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making the Ape a cost-effective solution for daily use. When you're behind the wheel of a Piaggio Ape, you'll immediately appreciate its ease of handling. The tight turning radius allows drivers to weave through traffic effortlessly, while the simple controls and reliable brakes make it a practical choice for both new and experienced drivers. Plus, the comfortable seating and ergonomic layout ensure a better ride, even on long journeys. The Ape is not just a vehicle, it's also a canvas for customization. Many owners personalize their rides with unique paint jobs, decorative accessories, and even custom interiors to stand out on the streets. Whether it's for a delivery business or a personal ride, the Piaggio Ape can be transformed to reflect the owner's style. The Piaggio Ape is a global workhorse. In India, it's a popular choice for auto rickshaw services and small cargo transport. In Europe, it's used as a mobile coffee shop or street food stall. In Africa, it serves as a rugged vehicle for rural areas. Its versatility and affordability make it a go-to vehicle for people all over the world, across different industries and lifestyles. Another major advantage of the Piaggio Ape is its ease of maintenance. Spare parts are readily available, and repairs are straightforward, which keeps the cost of ownership low. This makes it an ideal choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners who need a reliable, low-maintenance vehicle. From its humble beginnings in Italy to becoming a worldwide sensation, the Piaggio Ape has remained a symbol of resilience and utility. It's not just a rickshaw, it's a trusted partner for millions who rely on it every day. That's all for today's episode of Wheel and Thrill. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content about the vehicles that move the world. Until next time, keep those wheels rolling.